Hi guys, good morning. Today I am going to discuss about the topic surface area and volume of the right cone. Let's draw the figure cone. This one cone. Okay. It has one curved surface. It has one curved surface or lateral surface. Okay. And it has only one plane surface which is in circular shape. Okay. Now tell me, if it has one base and in circular shape, that means we can find out the area of the base. To find out the area of the base, we have to know the radius of the base. Okay. So let the radius of the base, also called the radius of the cone, let the radius of the cone be r. Okay, understood? If you draw a perpendicular line to the radius to the center of the base of the cone, you will get height of the cone. You will get height of the cone. So let the height of the cone OX be h. Okay, you got height of the cone, you got radius of the cone. Then we have to find out the length of slanting height. Let the length of slanting height of the cone be L. That length of OB equal to L. Okay. And then how to find out the length? Length of slanting height L, because it's a OXB in triangle OXB. X is 90 degree because it is OX is perpendicular to XB, so X is 90 degree. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, the length of slanting height L equal to the root over of a square plus r square. Okay, the root over of height of square of the height plus square of the radius of the cone. Okay, you can find out the length. Why we find out the length of slanting height? Because if we spread out the cone, spread out the surface of the lateral surface of the cone, you must know the length of slanting height. Okay. So how will you find out the area of curved surface? Area of curved surface or lateral surface of the cone. Surface of the cone. If you spread out the lateral surface of the cone, you will get a sector. The area of this sector is equal to the area of the curved surface of the cone. So this one is the radius, we can say. So here O A B. The radius of this sector is equal to L. Okay, and the length of arc is equal to circumference of the base of the cone. The length of arc is 2 pi r. Okay, understood? This one is the radius of the sector. So this radius of the sector is equal to slanting height of the cone, and the length of arc is equal to circumference of the base of the cone. Okay. So how will you find out area of this sector? Half length of arc 2 pi r into radius, that means L. That is equal to area of curved surface or lateral surface of the cone. 2 to cancel, that means pi r L. That is the lateral surface area of the cone. Okay, lateral surface area of the cone. How will you find out total surface area of the cone? Lateral surface area plus area of the base of the cone. Area of the base, total surface area of the cone. Surface area of the cone equal to area of lateral surface. Area of lateral surface plus area of base of the cone. Okay, what is the lateral surface area? Pi RL plus pi r square. Okay, pi r whole into L plus r. This is the total surface area of the cone. Understood? Total surface area of the cone. And out. Now, how do you find out the volume of the cone? How do you find out the volume of the cone? Let the radius of the cone r and height of the cone h, and take the same radius and height of the cylinder. Okay, cylinder radius r and height h. Okay, keep in mind the volume of the cylinder is equal to 3 times of the volume of the cone. Volume of the cone. Okay, volume of the cone. Understood? So tell me, what is the volume of the cone? Volume of the cone, keep in mind, 1/3 into pi r square h. That is the pi r square h is the volume of cylinder. The volume of cone is the 1/3 of volume of the cylinder with same radius and a height. Okay. What is the formula for volume of the cone? 1/3 into pi r square h unit cube. And area always square unit. Understood?